Hi and welcome. This is Rozani. Today we're going to make over the little gnome face from a previous video. I want to show you the many possibilities by creating a completely different look with paper napkins and liquid starch. Here we go. Get those supplies ready because we're going to start. First thing we're going to do is wrap this little guy up in cellophane. I used press and seal, but you can use any kind of plastic wrap. So we're going to dampen the entire surface with liquid starch and then layer paper pieces over the entire surface. We're going to start by using copier paper on the cap portion, and that'll help give it more stability. And then we'll put the paper napkins on top of the entire piece, all the way down to the mustache and beard. Here's one that I made previously, and you could see how easily it comes right off. Look at that mustache, will you? Who could resist such a handsome little face, right? Let's get ready to paint. I always like to outline mine before coloring it. You can use markers on this if you like. You don't have to put these markings on it, but it can come in handy if you're going to use a transparent color. Whether you use markers or paint, it'll be fun to see how he turns out. I prefer to use acrylic paint on the beard and mustache part. I've watered it down to make it lighter. You could keep it white if you like, or make it brown. It doesn't matter. Just have fun with it. Then, of course, we're going to add color to the cap. I'm using a green napkin, and I tore away one of the layers so that I just have one single solid ply. And it's real easy to use, but you've got to use it quickly and do not wet it too much because it will start to dissolve. So you just press it on and smooth it out. This would look adorable with a floral or woodsy, maybe a mushroom or butterfly paper napkin. And I have that little trim. I may decide to paint it brown or just leave it white. I'm not sure. So keep watching to find out. Once we're through with the cap, we're going to let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll work with the nose. Use any skin tone that you prefer. Here I'm mixing two colors, a little bit of this tan, and I'll add a little bit of red. That'll be fine for now because he's still a work in progress. You can finish the back however you want. And then I'll set them aside to dry before adding any more paint. The other one is outlined now, but I'll add a few more details. Here's a slower version of how I remove it. It's so easy to do. Okay, so we have 3 little gnome heads with the cutest little textured faces. And the first one is named Grumplestone. And the second one is Grunenwinkel. And the third one is Weiselpoof. I had fun painting and decorating the little caps, and I'm sure you will too. I added swirls in the middle one, and those swirls are made out of yellow copier paper. And on the third one, I made a little mushroom design, but I'll still be working on him a little bit more. I want to thank you for being here with me and watching my video, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye for now.